Hi guys, today we'll be showing you how to unbox the Mavic Pro DJI. This is the Mavic Pro and that is a remote control. This is a Samsung Galaxy S8. In this phone we have upgraded a DJI app. This is the lens cover protection that I'm taking off. And there's two parts and the wings. It has 4 wings. Now I'm straightening up the wings. Now I am switching the DJI on 2 times and you can see it's already lighting up. This is the DJI's controller and I'm double clicking it to turn on. And that is where you put your Samsung Galaxy S8 phone in. Connecting the charger through the controller. You want to plug that into the controller and the charger to the phone. Now I am setting up the controller and the DJI to connect together. Now I'm going to calibrate the drone. Now I'm calibrating it upside down. Now I'm going to be ready to take off.